Can you get a mortgage as a foreigner in Turkey? Hi, my name is Aydın and I'm a real estate agent in Turkey. In this short video, I'm going to give you more information about how to get a mortgage in Turkey as a foreigner. The answer is yes. You can get a mortgage in Turkey for your property purchase. There are currently few banks in Turkey who are providing mortgages to foreigners who like to buy a property in Turkey. How much can you borrow from a Turkish bank for your property purchase? Turkish banks are currently providing mortgages up to 50% of the purchase value. They also offer a payment plan up to 10 years. So you might be wondering about the interest rates. In order to get an exact answer to this question, I recommend you to check with your bank so that you can get a clear answer about the current interest rates for the property purchase. What documents do you need to get a mortgage in Turkey? Documents you need change whether you're an employee or an employer. Please check the description box below. Also follow the screen to see the most important documents that is required by the bank to apply for a mortgage. Basically, these documents are a Turkish tax number, your passport, an address proof, also last 3 months of your bank statement. These are the most important documents that you need in order to apply for a mortgage in Turkey. How long does the mortgage process take? So it takes in between 5 to 7 days from making the application to getting your title deed. If you have any other questions, please comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.